large, these critics of history would invoke the phrase, probably, history is written by the victors. Okay? By this, it is meant that even though history claims to be universal, objective, rational, and just, history, however, never really gets outside of power. It never gets to full equality, justice, or freedom, because what is called universal is always universal based on a particular group that wants to stay in power. Okay, so um, history can never be what it wants to be in this sense. Okay, that's the critique, right? So his history has a lot of ideals, right? Or historical culture, historical consciousness has a lot of ideals, right? But it, in the end, history is still doing what memory and what myth are doing, right? It's not able to, history is not able to become God, right, and stand above it all. History is still human, utterly human, and it is serving the purposes of certain groups of people, and it is serving the power of those people and their power to project over others. Okay, so history in this sense is not neither universal nor neutral nor objective. Okay, that's the critique. Okay, now that'll be up to you to agree with or disagree with as we go through the text. Okay, but that's what you want to consider as we go into our text. So these are just some sort of basic ways to problematize uh, the idea of history and historical consciousness. Now, what we're going to do is take a look at the texts that you're going to read and give you some thoughts, food for thought with those texts.